Hi guys, welcome to PrintRite. I'm your host Sanveer, and in this video we're going to do CMYK print. So CMYK print, and if I do a white color, it is more better. For dark color, I personally prefer spot color. So spot color gives more perfectness to the dark. But today in this video we are going to do CMYK print. So without any delay, let's start the video. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and if you are a previous subscriber, don't forget to share the content. And if you want any machineries or any printing related thing, call the number given in the screen and do visit our website printrite.com. So let's start the video. Before starting, I need to tell you some little bit tips what you're doing here. So color, we are using CMYK process plastisol color. You can also use water base, both give the same result. And the mesh, what you're using is 200 number polyester high grade mesh, super tension mesh, so you can get high impression in the print. Next, it's a normal cotton t-shirt, and we are using RIP software to print the dots, to print the CMYK for the film. So guys, this is the thing, and by seeing our videos you can learn the printing, or if you want a hands-on experience, you can come to our working center. We specially conduct 2 days of workshop, advanced printing workshop every month. So you can join one of our group in 1 month. And if you want to go, we'll teach you everything regarding spot color, water base, CMYK, all of those things, if you don't know printing. And if you know basic of the printing, keep watching our videos, you will come to know everything. Just practice it and you'll be fine. So guys, let's start the video. You have seen how we have done the print. It's a very fine print. We have shown in zoom also that our print is very fine. So we like the print. So in this print, one thing we have to remember, CMYK means you have to print weight on weight. That's not mean any dry, 4 color, one weight to other color. Because you can see here green, we have no green here. We have magenta, we have yellow, we have cyan, and we have black. But here we get the green. So how? It's a color matching. We got the brown. How? For the color matching. So you have to do weight on weight process. And remember, you have to do lighter to darker. Like you start for yellow, after yellow magenta, then cyan, then you have to go to black. It's an easy process. Hope in the video you have understand lots of process about this. And if you have any other query, please comment. We'll try to solve it. And hope you like the video. So subscribe our channel, share content, like our video, and you want printing thing, call us. We are just a call away. So guys, Ranveer is signing off for today. We'll come up with the next video with a new topic and new video. Till then, bye bye, see you and take care.